Everybody feel it, come around with round with round. Everybody feel it, come around with round with round.
Everybody in the park. Everybody in the park.
Ben, I've got an amazing box here. It's a beardmail box. If you were to have a look in this box, tell me what you think.
Let's have a look. What's in the box? Yeah. Always good with stickers.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like Christmas.
It is like Christmas. Beard oil. I'm actually running out of beard oil.
Awesome.
Yeah, so that's going to be cool. Yeah, love it. Absolutely love it.
Ben, that's our first beardmail box, right? You've still got sweets and a badge in there, right?
Yeah.
But do you like what's in the box, Ben?
I love it. Absolutely love it. Yeah, and really good. It's sort of like a good selection.
As a special treat for you, Ben, today, you can have what's in that box.
Really?
Pack it up, it's all yours.
Properly like Christmas. Yeah. Thanks. I'll spread the word. Yeah. And you'll see me around with a better looking beard.
Awesome. Thanks, Ben. You've been a star. That's all yours, mate. Thanks, man. Cheers.
Hey, it's Dan here from Beardmail, and I'm with Q, and we're going to get Q to open up one of these Beardmail boxes and find out what he thinks. This is the Beardmail box. There's a little pull tab here. Okay. So if I can just get you to open it, get in there, get stuck in.
Beard what?
This is a leave-in conditioner overnight, sticking to the beard.
Oh yeah, that smells quite good actually.
Say that again.
It smells quite good.
Yeah, nice. Thank you very much.
Some beard oil, necessity.
So this is Twisted Mustache.
Twisted mustache, yeah. Handlebar Joker. Yeah, it's quite good. Cedarwood, I love Cedarwood. I think Cedarwood's one of the best ones for beards.
Twisted Mustache is a lovely brand, nice independent brand, based in Oxfordshire, aren't they as well? Based in Oxfordshire, based in Banbury. It's just a bit of mustache wax, so it's unscented, this one, so it doesn't affect with your other products in there, but it's just good to start the mustache.
That's good. I think it smells awesome. I mean, it's always hard to find good beard stuff. This actually smells quite good. I love to have this on my beard.
So if someone was to give you a beard box like this, would it be a good gift?
Yeah, definitely.
Cool, man, I'm giving it to you.
Excellent, that's amazing, thank you.
So thank you very much for checking out the Beardmail box.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it's yours, man, so enjoy it.
Cheers, brilliant.
And hope you enjoy the products in there.
Definitely. Is there any way I can follow you on Instagram? Or?
Yeah, so just Beardmail, at Beardmail,
Brilliant.
hashtag Beardmail. We've got a Facebook group as well you can join, full of bearded people.
Okay.
So it's a good fun group, and we've also got the Beardmail podcast as well, so you can check it out weekly.
Awesome.
So we've got a big community going, and obviously the Beardmail box every month comes out with new products in every month.
Brilliant. That's pretty cool.
Nice one, man.
Cheers, thank you.
Right, Reese, we're here. We've got the inaugural beardmail box, right? You've obviously got a beautiful beard. Do you use many beard products?
I only use about oil every other day.
Nice. Well, I want you to open up this beautiful beardmail box and tell me what you think. There's a little pull strip there. Just have a little look inside and tell us how it makes you feel.
Oh, there's a lot in here, isn't there? Beard butter, I've never used that before. I've heard good things though.
Beard butter is good, nice and soft. What else we got?
Beard wash. That helps. I use a lot of beard wash too in the shower. It looks good quality, doesn't it?
This is some of the UK top independent brands.
It looks very good quality. Mustache wax, never before in my life.
I was going to say, have you ever used any tash wax?
Never used tash wax in my life. It covers every basis. It's got absolutely everything more than I knew that I needed for my beard.
Can I have that box, mate?
Oh, thank you. You sure?
Absolutely, it's yours, mate.
Ah, thank you very much. Over the moon with that.
Superb. That's Reese. He's opened the box. He liked the box. We gave him the box.
Oh, thank you very much.
Awesome. Thanks, Reese. It's another happy customer.
Everybody feel it, come around, we ground. Everybody feel it, come around, we ground.
Everybody